welcome back to my channel Twitter Things. As you all know, we have started LeetCode 50 series where we'll be going to solve 50 LeetCode problems on SQL. So this will definitely help you to crack any SQL related interviews. So we have already cleared 25 questions. Hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched those videos, no problem. You can go to my channel. In the playlist, you will find each and every video in a detailed way in a manner line wise will be there. So now we are going to solve the 26th problem, that is classes more than 5 students. These are sorting and grouping related problems. So classes more than 5 students is a problem name which we are going to solve in lead code. The problem number is 596. Let's see the schema first and then problem statement, and then we'll go into solve the SQL query. So here they are given like some table is there, like courses table is there, columns are there, and the type of the column is specified here. Student is the column name, which is a varchar, and class is a varchar. Student and class is a combination of these two will be a primary key. So unique values for these two values in the entire table. So each row of this table indicates the name of the student and the class in which they have enrolled. So student and the class data is there in this courses table. What they're asking is they're asking us to write a solution to find out all the classes that have at least 5 students. So they want the classes of which are having at least 5 students. Okay, so order is any order, they are fine with it. So let's see the example to understand clearly. They have given some courses. So students are some students are A B C D E F G H I. This many students are there, and classes are specified: max class, English class, biology, computer. These things are there. So what they want is find out all the classes that have at least 5 students. Whatever the classes which have at least 5 students, they are want to uh, pick up. For example, max A. For example, max class student A is there. English class student B is there. For max class student C is there. You can see the repetition of max class is much. So for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Six max class are taken by the 6 students. Max class is taken by 6 students. What they want, they're at least five students. If any in a particular class, if there are at least 5 students, they want the class names kind of thing. Okay, so now max class is having 6 students, that is greater than 5. So now, so max is the class name they have given as an output. Okay, so we have to include that. Now English student is one, so we don't include that. So if you see other classes like English is there only 1 student, biology 1 student, computer is 1 student. So we are not considering that class name, and we are just printing the max class name from this table. You understood, right? So we have to take the count of students in particular class likewise. Okay, so for that what we can do is we can just select they have to give the what class name. So select class name from which table, from courses table. It is very simple query. We have to just take the count of students only. So we have to group this by, because there will be a repetition of class students like in classes also. So we have to group that with class name, that is class. So now we are having group by, that is aggregating thing. So now we have to use a having. Having, what we have to do is we have to take the count of a number of whatever the students which we have, that is student here, column name is student. So which is at least 5, right? So that is greater than or equal to 5, can be 5 and can be greater than 5. So this is how we have to solve this particular problem. I hope you understood, right? Very simple query. We have to select the class, select a class from the courses table. So we have to group with class name, because combination of these two will be a unique key but not in a single thing. So class can be repetition, right? So group with class. So max class we're concentrating first of all, and then English class likewise. And if you're seeing like count of student of this max class is having greater than 5, and then we are printing them. I'm just running this query. Let me see how it will works. It's accepted, right? If you see this particular code, max is coming, math is coming. So now it's fine. Let me submit this. So let me know in the comment section if you have solved this particular problem in any other possible ways. So that will help the subscribers or viewers to know what are the possible ways to solve one single problem. And that's all for this video. We'll join you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned to our channel and subscribe and click the bell icon. Keep sharing our videos to your friends and colleagues who are at learning stage of SQL things and learning to solve SQL problems. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.